morning, Henry wasn't feeling well. He wouldn't come out of the shed.
Is it because you think it might rain today, Henry?
No, Thomas. I think there's something wrong with my boiler. I might not be able to pull my coaches today.
Maybe your firebox needs warming up. I'll go and fetch your coaches.
What are you so happy about today, Thomas?
If Henry doesn't come, I might get to pull his train.
It's not as easy as you think, Thomas. Pulling trains is hard work.
Thomas waited and waited, but still Henry didn't come.
You'll have to find another engine.
There's only Thomas, sir.
You'll have to do it then, Thomas. Be quick now.
Yes, sir. Sir?
Thomas raced around to the front of the coaches and backed up to them with a bump.
Go. Don't be impatient now, Thomas. Wait until everything is ready.
But Thomas was far too excited and not really listening. Thomas heard the guard's whistle, so he took off before his coaches could be coupled up.
Thomas! Stop! Come back!